Is the silence from your YouTube videos driving you crazy? Let's bring the sounds back to life. First, let's check the obvious: is your system volume turned up? Look for the speaker icon in your taskbar or menu bar, and make sure it's not muted and the slider is up. Next, we'll check the video's specific volume. Hover your mouse over the video player and locate the volume icon. Click it and ensure the slider is not muted and is set to a reasonable level. Sometimes, the issue isn't with YouTube itself, but with your browser. Try switching to another browser tab or even another website to see if sound works there. If it does, the problem might be specific to your YouTube tab. If those quick checks didn't work, we'll try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. This can often resolve playback issues. Go to your browser settings, find the option for clearing browsing data, and select to clear cache and cookies. Now, let's try a refresh specific to the video. Right-click directly on the YouTube video player in the context menu that appears. Look for an option that might say Settings or About HTML5 Player. Click on it, and if you see an option to disable hardware acceleration, try toggling that setting. If the problem persists, it could be an issue with your computer's audio drivers. Search for Device Manager on your computer and open it. Expand the Sound, Video and Game Controllers section. Right-click on your audio device and select Update Driver. Finally, after updating your driver, restart your computer. This can often apply the changes correctly. Once your computer has rebooted, head back to YouTube and see if your sound is back. Success! With these steps, your YouTube videos should now be filled with sound once more.